So back in that big guys, I'm Murph and Wynn. Here's the video of the swing bridge slowly opening back after MJ27 went through. And there it goes. It's trying to slowly rotate as slow as possible for these boats to go. Here we go.
Probably knows it.
Oh, I just saw one friend. That little play right there.
It slowly goes. Yeah, it's moving. It's going very slow. There it goes. Slowly back in place. Once again, this is in St. Joseph, Michigan. I forgot to mention that. Wesley did, and I don't remember. So, yeah. There's the way it goes. Clearing up for boat traffic. No MJ26 yet. So yeah, here's all the boat traffic backed up from the swing bridge. It's about done. We'll see green or white here in a little bit. You can't really see it from here though. We're a horn, the wild horn, and the white. Maybe a horn, I don't know. I never seen this happen before. Never had to go to St. Joe this far. Never had to go this far to catch this. There we go. Right there, all done. Just about find out. Okay, guys. Oh, not quite. Green.
There we go.
Okay, guys. Make sure like and subscribe for more visits. See you guys next time. Real fan landing out.